Alright, so here's how to post photo and video together on Instagram. Now just open your Instagram profile and here just click on this plus icon on top. Now click on post. Now I'm going to select some posts. Alright, after that select one of videos. Alright, so I'm going to select this video. After that just click on next. And now as you can see there are two photos and one video. Now click on next. You can add some filters and do some changes you want. Add a caption. Okay. Now you can also add music, tag people. Now after that just click on share. Alright, so here as you can see the result. Two images and one video. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.